पहले आए हॉलीवुड ब्लॉकबस्टर द हंगर गेम्स और फिर डिज्नी की एनिमेटेड फिल्म ब्रेव। और अमरीकी बच्चों में फैल गया जुनून तीरंदाजी का। हाथ में थामे अपनी कमान और नजर टिकाए निशाने पर ये बच्चे खड़े हैं तैयार अपना हुनर आजमाने के। और यहाँ तो छोटे से छोटा बच्चा भी है इतना माहिर कि तीर कमान से निकलकर सीधा निशाने पर ही लगता है।
I like it and I think it's cool and it's fun.
Movies and video games and all just portray it and make it look really fun, so I decided to do it.
लेकिन ये खेल हर बच्चे के बस की बात नहीं।
Well, this sport generally is for the kids that don't care for team sports, that they are not into the rah-rah and the adrenaline stuff. They tend to be a little more quiet, a little more contemplative.
रूथ जो यहाँ बच्चों को तीरंदाजी सिखा रही हैं, खुद ओलंपिक्स में अमेरिका की नुमाइंदगी कर चुकी हैं और इन्होंने कई इंटरनेशनल मुकाबलों में मेडल्स भी जीते हैं।
Really? Yeah.
ये कहती हैं कि तीरंदाजी जैसी लगती है वैसी है नहीं।
For most people, most kids in particular, and most people are focused on where did the arrow hit rather than how am I doing the shot. You have to learn what is correct and then try to just keep doing that time after time after time exactly the same. That is the challenge of the archery.
इस चैलेंज पर ये बच्चे तो पूरे उतर रहे हैं और इससे इनके फ्रेंड्स भी हैं काफी इम्प्रेस।
I think they think I'm cool.
So you get to kind of stand out a little bit.
लेकिन क्या रूथ मुझे भी चंद मिनटों में कूल बना सकती हैं?
Just let go. There you are.
Oh, okay.
See? Do it again.
That wasn't too bad.
Come on back. Come on back. Go. Come on back. String touch nose and chin, just like you did. Hand down on both. Let those fingers easy. There you are. Look at that. You were doing some things the same because they ended up in the same place.
I see.
Very nice.
लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि इसमें तुक्का भी थोड़ा सा मेरा लगा। Do you think this was a bit of a fluke on my part, or do you think I really did something right?
You were consistent in what you were doing. You were enough to do it, to put it there.
I'm so happy that I got a little bit of a training lesson from an Olympic athlete.
Glad to.
So I think that's pretty cool.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. This is fun.
All right.
Yeah.